So you want to know the how ties this changes to JPOM's decommission according to the previous email, right?
That is on one point of it. We will discuss
Mm,
line by line from this document.
okay.
Yeah. As in when we proceed, we will discuss in detail on each topic. That will be better.
Mm, okay.
All right. We will start with account and CRM management. Capability to assign different agents that is sold by per BU for an account and link secondary agents.
Mm,
Here, I'm in JP, yeah, ecom admin. When you edit any user from the ecom admin, you are able to assign a distributor for each account.
yeah.
I want to understand what more do we need there, because you also mentioned in this and link secondary agents. How is it done today? For
So
example, let me take one account now. Okay, edit user. Yeah, here.
mm. So this functionality is working correctly. I didn't confirm before.
Yeah, this works because all other sites are also using it.
Okay. Distributor is from the distributor database.
Yes. One
Mm.
second, let it load completely. Then
Okay.
my
So
system is slow.
there are a lot of distributors. So to list all of them that takes a lot of time.
Oh, is it?
I've never seen this
Ah,
list correctly ordered.
okay. All Japanese, you would understand this.
Yeah. These are correct distributors. Yeah.
Yeah, so we will be able to assign distributor per BU from here for individual user accounts.
Okay. So this is the UAT environment, and there are same agents, and I found some agents have same name and same word. For example, there are several others. So others, and so
Okay.
on. So the list is not correct. So I wonder where this database is stored.
It
The
is
data
directly in the
comes
distributors.
from.
It is from the distributors table. I do not have access to JPDB, but let me see.
Okay, so for example, 477,481, these are only numbers, right? Not the distributor's name. They're just the number itself, and that these numbers don't mean anything.
You you might be right, but I think they are present in distributor as distributor names, which is why it is appearing here.
Okay. So these number names will also come in the account creation and so on, right? So account settings.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the database should be checked to correct the
Mhm.
database. Okay. Anyway, the production has correct the data, so no problem. In
Let's
this,
see. I'll
yeah.
log into production. Let's check.
Hmm. Do you know the ecom CRM is implemented in ecom admin, right?
I know that it is implemented, but what is the functionality you need to explain me? Because I don't
Uh,
have idea on how does that work.
so the basic idea is to store all the distributor information in ecom CRM. And the data of the distributors will be provided from the ecom CRM. And that's my idea previously. And it is it's already in production, but the connection between ecom CRM and the distributor data should be implementing for my idea.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll go to the tab and let's see how do we connect it.
Yes, and also because the distributor list cannot be managed by ourselves, right? Just it is in the distributor database, and if we need to insert several distributors in the database,
Mm-hmm.
we need to ask DevOps to uh, add all the insertion to the database. But the big changes sometimes happen, and then we want to manage all the changes on user side, like e-com administrator.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay. Oh, okay. The same page in production.
Yep.
Okay.
It's still loading. Have to wait.
Yeah, yeah. Data has a lot of a lot of yeah. This page has a lot of data, so to load all of them takes a lot of time. Mm. Frozen or
Yeah,
with
now it is loaded. Now it loaded. Okay, for example, only goes.
mm.
You have numbers even in production.
Oh no. These numbers are not seen in the account setting or account creation at all, because if they are displayed in the list of account settings or account creation, these are really a serious problem. And also the some of yeah not notice it and inform me of it as
Yeah,
soon as
okay. Then we
possible.
will have to correct the data.
Yeah, yeah. So how the yeah where
Okay.
the data
What
comes
is
from? Yeah, you
this
need
data
to
comes from
confirm.
ecom distributor table.
Mm,
While I draft the requirements, right, I will get the data from the production.
mm.
Then we can see what is to be cleaned up or how to be done.
Okay. So I guess just I'm guessing the distributor six is completely different from what the account is assigned with. Because the this distributor settings is not reflected on the account at all. So once the account is assigned with a distributor, the account has a sold to buy, right? But
Yes.
in this setting doesn't have any assignment uh, according to these settings. So the I need you you need to check the relationship between this distributor settings and the ecom account.
In the ecom account, you mean? Let me show you where
Yeah, this is
exactly.
this is account. So the relationship between the general distributor and this these distributors. Yeah, please click the new account creation.
I'm waiting for it to translate.
Yes, yes, of course. You need to you need to get the English version.
And I don't have the
Oh,
option for it.
it's better
Uh,
for you to access to a production or UAT because QA has a completely different UI.
okay, I will go to UAT. I'm just logging
Uh-huh.
out.
Oh, yeah, yeah. To find the what you look for,
Hmm.
the yeah, UAT is the best for production. Yeah, so UAT the to access to UAT takes time. That so the production is
I
might be
think my net is slow. Okay, now I can go to product. I wanted
okay.
production to be open to refer to other things. So
Okay, okay. Yeah, up to you.
I'll go to incognito mode. Let me see if it works first.
Mm, mm.
Okay, prod is faster. Yeah, new registration.
Yes, yes, yes. New registration. Okay, and the drop down menu, the billing agency name.
Building agency name.
Yeah, yeah,
Billing
lower.
agency name. Okay,
Yes,
this
yes,
is the
yes, yes.
distributor
Yeah,
list.
yeah, distributor list. So this is a perfect distributor list, and all the distributors are listed here. And at last, the all others include all others mean the second distributor in this case.
Okay, others means second distributor in this case.
Yeah, because
Now,
so this list has only primary distributors only. And primary distributors are most important, of course, and the secondary distributor will be assigned after the XML is stored in the staging database and pull it to the JPOMS.
okay, this is the right list for primary
Ah,
distributors,
yes, yeah,
and
yes.
you are
You
expecting this list to be displayed here.
yes, right.
Okay, and you mentioned the secondary distributor is being assigned from JPOMS after the order reaches staging.
Yeah, yes. Because secondary distributor is connected with the primary one or two primary distributors. But the connection cannot be implemented on ecom for now.
Is there any way to implement it?
Oh, so that is ecom CRM. So ecom CRM would have all the distributors first primary and secondary distributors. But currently the e-commerce CRM doesn't have the relationship functionality
Mhm.
to connect both. So
It can be
that's a
implemented
required.
part of the JPOMS migration because currently JPOMS is assigning it. Instead, we will allow in ecom to assign it. Wouldn't that work?
So it will, mm, yeah.
Okay, let's see what is there in CRM.
Mm.
Okay, UAT is slow. Sorry.
Oh,
In production, we do not show CRM tab yet.
sure, sure. I asked, right? I asked,
You
asked to
hide
hide.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, here.
Okay, okay.
You have two of it. CRM, user management, update sold to data.
I don't know why the both have same icon.
Oh, okay. They are
Yeah,
different
but
purpose, right?
different. Yeah, functionality is completely different.
Okay.
Okay,
What are
so
we
it
doing here?
so currently the list has almost mostly primary distributor, right?
For each account.
What do you mean?
Customer
This
number
yeah
is it the sold to number or the contact number?
this case the customer number means sold by ID.
Sold by or
Yeah,
sold to?
no, sold by.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. So to be honest, this has both because yeah, a couple of a long time back, this CRM would have the both of the distributors and the clients both. But
Uh-huh.
currently, there are all primary distributor in the relationship, right? So that means the customer number means sold by ID.
Okay, this is a sold by ID.
Yeah, yeah,
Its
yeah.
parent company is what is this?
So pasta, this is main office. So distributor has a main office and a branch office, as you might know,
Uh-huh.
right? Yeah. So the parent company means uh, main office.
Okay. Parent company's main office.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Go back. Okay, this is main
So
office. This
for
is my
example,
distributor.
you can see the customer number last three digits 080 and 080
Hmm?
082 So these have same company's name.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, right.
these are branches. So parent
Okay.
company means main office, which
Hmm.
is main company of this company. So most of them are branches, except the 081 ID. So if the customer number is same as parent company 081, so that
Mm-hmm.
is main office of this company.
Okay, this means this 081 main company is having these many branches, eight zero
Yeah,
eight two eight three eight four.
yes, right. Yes.
Okay. The relationship of customer number with parent company is it is the primary distributor.
Yes.
Okay. This I have understood. Now, this CRM data, you wanted a map
Yeah,
with the distributor,
yes,
right?
yes. That's the initial idea, not yet implemented. So,
Okay. Now I want to understand how can we implement it? Like how is JPOMS doing it?
so JPOMS has all the actual information for distributors. So and also the primary distributor assignment with the second distributor also in the JPOMS.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, JPOMS has its own CRM, which is called Oligo CRM. But
Uh-huh.
it is not only for Origo, but also other products. But the name is Origo CRM because the CRM was created initially for only Origo
Oligos.
products. But after that, the sequence, GSY, all the products are related with the Origo CRM. So the CRM includes all the customers for all the products.
Okay, I have a question. Now,
Mhm.
this billing agency is nothing but primary distributors, correct?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay. Now, when you edit any user in ecom admin,
Mm.
which I showed you previously, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You showed me the
Yeah, there we are able to assign primary distributor. Now, for every user, you can assign
mm.
these branches also. That is secondary distributor. But now that you don't know, this primary distributor has these many secondary branches. That is why you're not able to assign it in ecom. Is my
Uh,
understanding correct?
no, just just this data doesn't have secondary distributor. That's the only reason. So so management of this data is not followed by the operators yet. So the main data of distributor is in the local system only, and the local system can create the sold by ID,
Mm-hmm.
and it will be shared with the ecom site by inserting it to the ecom by DevOps team.
Okay. Now my question here in this the requirement document, you have separately mentioned about oligo CRM. Now, can you clarify if oligo CRM is part of JPOMS or should it be treated as separate entity? Because I want to know, should we have functionalities of migrating the CRM functionality into ecom or not?
Okay. I mm, okay. May I explain it in details? Yeah. So JPOMS is just to process orders. Uh, but the JPOMS can refer to the data in Origo CRM. So Origo CRM has accurate all the accurate data for all the customers and the distributors, all. So whatever happens, the Origo CRM has accurate data, and the
Mm-hmm.
JPOMS utilize it because when the data from ecom is not correct, like a
Uh-huh.
wrong distributor is assigned with an account, or the incorrect correction time is in the order XML or something like that. But it can be detected based on the data in Origo CRM.
Okay. So
So the
this has some
JPMS,
master data which we refer and correct the orders.
yeah, JPOMS is just an application, but the actual data is in Origo CRM, and the detection is done by the JPOMS by using CRM data.
Okay, now question on this. Say
Mhm.
my oligo CRM still remains because my CRM is not migrating anywhere.
Right,
Can
right.
I
And
refer the data of oligo CRM and make corrections from ecom?
according to Miyuki-san, it's not possible because the Origo CRM is only located, it's implemented in the local network only.
Yeah, but say I have an oligo CRM. This is a desktop application, oligo CRM in local JP, right? I am
Yeah, yeah.
referring some data of distributors. I see, okay, I need to correct the data of one customer. Is it not possible I come here in ecom and edit the user to change the details of them?
So firstly, I thought the part of the Origo CRM data should be migrated to the ecom side. So this distributor list data is the one of the data in Origo CRM.
Okay. Then what is missing in this case is my primary distributor is having so many agents that list has to be imported.
Yes, yes. So this is this has imported data, but very old though. So in addition to the primary distributor, this should include other information like secondary distributor and so on. But the it's issue is how to manage it. And if master data is on ecom, it would cause a problem because the master data, if master data cannot be referred by the local uh, local team, the billing would not possible. So
Okay. You will need that information in local system itself
yeah,
because invoicing is related to it.
yes, invoicing is related with this data. So the main data, master data should be in the local. That's the
Then
concept. Mm.
in that case, my CRM migration from the Oligo CRM to my Dynamics 365 should
Mhm.
take care of it.
If possible, if possible,
If
is it
possible.
possible?
Yeah. I'm just thinking that comes a separate requirement itself because my CRM data is required in local. I cannot be migrating them to ecom.
Sure. And I checked the current CLA master data on the Microsoft Dynamics 365, and it includes just the basic data only, just for example, the distributor name, address, and telephone number, and so on. But
Mhm.
the relationship with secondary distributor or any other additional information cannot be added in the MS Dynamic of 365.
That is another, yeah. So that problem should be solved.
So the Oligo CRM migration cannot be done according to the current information I have. So
Okay.
mm,
I'll set up a call regarding this Oligo CRM, how it behaves and why Dynamics can't support it.
mhm.
Maybe our architects can help on that if there are ways to solve it.
Okay, then good.
Yeah. Okay. Now my Oligo CRM cannot be decommissioned because I have the data. Coming back, what
Okay,
do I need from point one? So sold by assignment is possible, but linking secondary agents cannot be done.
good.
This will still remain in JPOMS, not JPOMS, sorry, Oligo CRM.
Yes, Oligo CRM.
Okay. How about this point?
Synchronize function. So this case, each of the customers that we have is linked to some special prices, right?
Mhm.
So this can be managed by the service agreement currently um, to reflect on. But not only the price, but also the shipping conditions like the specific customers can have only one shipment address. Whatever the customer account select
Mhm.
the shipment in the process of uh, purchase on ecom. So such the fixed data should should be assigned with the some account.
Such data should be assigned with some account.
So synchronize customer affiliation, distributor information to reflect pricing. Hmm. So hmm.
Today, pricing service is giving based on part numbers without considering the sold to of any customer. It is giving direct prices, right? We need to incorporate sold to specific prices from JP pricing service, isn't it?
Yeah, actually regarding the pricing, so that would be working.
So
But
sold to
not
specific pricing.
so that the specific price can be assigned with the each of the account based on service agreement on the ODB.
Okay,
But
service agreement in ODB is having this data you mean already.
it's only currently only for a sequencing because the sequencing for Osaka lab is working without JPOMS, and that to make it the special prices should be mapped by something like ODB, and currently the Osaka lab uh, Osaka lab related orders
Mm.
can manage the price on ODB.
Okay.
But this has uh, other products like GSY and Origos have a very complex price tables. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, the not only price issue, but also the shipping issue. Like, so the shipping is more complicated because some customers can have only one shipment, as I mentioned, whatever the shipping is selected by the user. So those fixed settings should be in what the assigned with some accounts. But
Account specific shipping
yeah,
conditions. Can you
yes.
give me some examples? See, as of today, as a
Mm,
B2C customer, I will be able to add more than one shipping address. But whenever I check out an order, of course, it will be one shipping address in the order XML, right?
yes. So the um okay, so customer can select whatever they want in the shipment address.
Mm.
But according to some companies, they don't allow the users to select a specific shipment because of their own reasons.
Okay.
So, okay, but currently they can do that. And the control is done by the JPOMS because once JPOMS receives that kind of order,
Mm-hmm.
and it is detected because the Origo CRM has an information. So this account cannot select uh, un, its own shipment address. So
So
the
you're going to change the shipping address for them.
yes. Shipment address will be replaced with the correct one, and it goes to the next step like limits.
Can
So
I show
the
you something? If I have my oligo CR,
hmm,
if I have my oligo CRM with all the data, um, I know that I have to change the shipping address for this order for this customer.
mhm.
Having oligo CRM in place, we can change the shipping address in ODB. Second, let me show you, bear with
Yeah.
me.
Mhm.
Now you see here shipping address. I click on update shipping address. It gives me a pop-up to update the address here and save
Okay,
it.
okay, it can be edited here.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay.
So once I edit and save, my shipping
Mhm,
address is going to change in ecom.
mhm.
What we will need is local JP system, or I should be saving this updated address in the staging DB.
Yes.
Okay.
And so the important thing is the correct shipping address should be deferred by the ODB side because the currently it is automatically detected.
Oh, the correct
L-
shipping address is automatically detected
Yeah.
because your JPOMS is interconnected with the oligo CRM.
Yes. So once the
That
order is stored in staging database and the JPOMS fetch the data in the staging database, the before it is imported,
Mm,
the the what detecting the data happens based on the CRM data, oligo CRM.
okay. Can I propose something? Is it possible for Miyuki to
Hmm.
expose an API from oligo CRM so ODB can refer to right data?
Yes, I will. So I've never asked it to Miyuki-san because
Mm,
Tetsuya-san, Tetsuya
yes.
Matsushita, the
Yes.
IT former IT manager, and he didn't plan it. Uh, I don't know why, but he didn't have an idea to use API to connect ecom with Origo CRM, and so instead he recommended the migration from Origo CRM to some systems like ecom admin, ODB, and so on. But
Okay.
this is
Can
just yeah. But of course, the it might be possible, but um, or is it possible to use this local system by API? Even
yes.
okay, technically it's possible, but how how about can we manage the Origo CRM after the deputy commission? That's also a reason. So I
I
hate
didn't get
I
this point. You mean after
yeah.
JPOM is decommissioned, we still have to maintain the oligo CRM?
It is required, but the Origo CRM is completely integrated by Mixon, the local integrator, and it's completely the local application.
I know. We will need separate discussion on how to migrate
Uh,
oligo CRM to some central system.
okay, okay,
So
good.
until we need the data, we need to have oligo CRM in place. So if we
Mm,
want to move JPOMS capabilities, which is tightly coupled with oligo CRM, right? We will need APIs from oligo CRM. So I request
mhm.
you check with Miyuki if she can develop an API to expose things.
Sure, understood.
Yeah.
I will check. I will check it with Mixon.
Okay, fine. So on pricing, service agreement is currently handling it. If we enable sold to specific prices in the JP pricing service, even ecom can handle it.
Pricing issue is not serious. Just currently service agreement can uh, make the law, the
Okay.
pricing assignment.
So we have solution for this.
Yes,
Okay. For this correction of addresses, we need oligo CRM data.
yes.
Okay, fine, noted.
Mm-hmm.
Fine, we'll proceed. Order control validation and editing. In-cart duplication check.
Okay. This was shared with you, right?
Yes, I have the document, separate document for this.
Mhm.
Now I want to understand how is this related to JPOMS decommission.
Okay. So it is same as a pickup calendar case. So yeah, because the ecom data currently it's not always correct. So for example, regarding the pickup calendar, currently the pickup calendar can have the dates which uh, the user can select it.
Yes.
However, even though the date can be selected, the date is might be a holiday. So currently, especially no, in normal calendar,
Mm-hmm.
even though the holiday is registered in the data, it can be selectable. It can be selected.
Mm-hmm.
But after selected, it has delivery data in order XML, but it is incorrect. So in the JPOMS, it must be changed to the cannot be picked. This date, the samples
Mm-hmm.
cannot be picked up. So the JPOMS detect the wrong data and correct it and deliver it to different systems like LIMS.
Okay. Now here, let me go back. Uh, Production order, edit.
Yeah,
In
yeah. Oh.
ODB,
Mhm,
today we
mhm,
are able to change the due date of an order. You see here, due date,
mhm.
I can change it and select from the calendar what is the date that it will be delivered. How about
How
we
this
allow
how this
changing
can
even the
be okay. Changing is possible, you mean, right?
yeah. So here it was 2 days. I am changing it to okay. You're going to receive it on 20th. Save changes. This will update. This will send a notification to customer that the due date is changed
Mm.
to this date, and it will be reflecting in ecom. Same can we apply? I'll give a pickup change date, and we correct it from here. Is that okay?
Yeah. Changing the data can be done here on ODB. That's
Yeah.
currently the possible to change.
Okay, so this is the due date of the order. We
Mm.
need for Japan. We need to introduce even pickup change of date.
Yeah, right.
So I'm just seeing how can we achieve everything within this year, right? So something which is already available, I need to just replicate it.
But
And hmm?
before this is processed to the downstream, how this can be detected, the wrong data.
How are
So
you detecting it today?
to change the due date, we need to detect the wrong data for due date or sample collection date.
Yeah, how do you detect it today? Say from ecom,
Uh,
it came
uh,
as 3 days, but in lab, you know, from Golem's point of view, I'm saying that okay,
okay.
I'll be able to deliver only after 5 days.
Okay, I think that it's cutoff time. So cutoff time, when cutoff time comes, they check all the data which correct or not. And if some data is not correct, they change manually.
Mm-hmm.
And so like this case, the opening the data on ODB and change the due date or collection date and modification is done. It is notified to customer automatically and processed to the downstream.
Yeah.
So yeah, every time cutoff time comes, that they do that. That they verify
So you're
data.
referring the order XML for all the data is right or not and make changes accordingly.
I don't think they check by order XML. Just they check on JPOMS. So they export the data, the list
Uh-huh.
of the the collection date or collection time or something. So exporting is possible in the JPOMS, and they can check by the Excel list or something.
Or do you select some dates? Okay, today's order have these cutoff time, and this
Oh,
is the days
just
for it, and then correct it.
currently we can do the similar things on the or search order. This is
Um,
Japan. This is for Japan, no? Not Japan, ODB, right? So JP ODB has search the search how can
Yeah.
I search pickup or something.
Oh, search pickup is there in Japan.
Yeah. So search orders have the search pickup something. The I forgot the name, but the search order has a search pickup or something
One
in.
second.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. UAT has it.
Oh yeah. Every environment has it.
Can you give me a login for UAT ODB for Japan?
Mine. Okay. TEST
Okay.
test RYO
RY. Mm,
OGO.
mm,
Yeah, my name. And the password is uh, capital P
yeah.
A
Sorry.
A.
A. Okay.
Yeah, SS,
SS.
small SS. Yes. W
Mm,
O
mm,
R.
R.
Yeah, D
D.
and at mark.
At
Yes, and number one. Only
1.
one
Okay.
only. Yes, and okay. Move to the search order.
Pickup search.
Yes. So pickup search. So this can pick up the orders for sequencing by
Uh-huh.
state and I don't know it works in UAT
We
correctly.
will
Yeah.
make it work, but I want to understand. Okay, what do we do here? Maybe in production it works.
The production does work.
Works. Okay.
Must work. Must work.
Uh-huh. Let's go to production. Do you have the
Because
same
yeah,
credentials for prod?
no. But account is same. Test,
Hmm.
test logo. Yes. And password is same.
Okay.
Same means test. Uh, okay.
Okay. Got it. Like,
Same as username.
okay.
Yeah. This operation is included in the daily work, so this
Uh-huh.
must work.
Oh, so you have everything listed here.
Yeah, and the pickup option has speed on normal now, and so start collection date and the end collection date. So from the data, so for example, the order date and the collection time should be compared and uh,
Okay. Export as Excel also is there.
sorry, yes. So I think the date should be validated because if the norm so pick collection date has un a date uh motorcycle or the needs delivery cannot correct.
Okay.
So
So
for
basically,
example,
people can refer here and see for start collection date.
yes,
If
yes,
on a
yes,
pickup option it is normal or speed and the dates are right. Now
yeah,
you
yeah.
want a functionality where we should be able to change the start collection date for that order if it is not correct.
Yeah, right. So the actual fact is the 20th is a public holiday and selectable for normal
Uh-huh.
correction. So
Okay.
the data must be modified to a different date because on 20th March the delivery is
It's a
not
holiday. Uh-huh.
won't work. Yes, because it's
Okay.
holiday. But selectable on ecom.
Okay, fine. So it should have been there in the configuration that it is a holiday, but it is not there in configuration.
It is. It is configured in order in XML configuration. and
As a holiday.
as a holiday, but
And still it is selectable.
it doesn't work
Oh, that is a
correctly.
bug then. That is
Yeah,
a
yeah,
bug
yeah.
to be solved.
Bug. Yeah, 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 yeah. I already raised the ticket, and Timana also contact Anand to correct it, but
Oh,
it cannot. It is not. The
then
issue is
it's a
still there.
Fine, fine, fine. That's a bug to solve. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
I got the problem. But in
uh,
case that is not selectable in ecom and still we have wrong dates, that's when we want to change it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
Mm.
as this is that, yeah, J- yeah, yeah, employees don't believe the data on ecom is correct. So
Okay.
that's why the detection is very important. So the oligo CRM has a perfect data.
Mm, mm,
So
mm, mm.
if the wrong data is detected by the JPOMS along with the JPO Oligo CRM,
Uh-huh.
it is reliable and correct it, and the data is transferred to downstream.
Okay. And okay, how about if we give an option to change against each order here itself, it'll be easier, right?
Yeah. Of course, of course. The
Um,
interface is very important.
yep.
So yeah, but in the case of the sequence data change, this this is in the process of daily work. So the once that this list can have the modification functionality, it
Hmm.
would be very good. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Coming back to the sheet.
Hmm.
Um, this was on the sample name duplication. Can you explain me this?
Okay. This is just so currently it is implemented in each of the order wizard.
Hmm.
But so the duplication is not allowed in order wizard, so
Hmm.
the duplication won't happen. However, once the items are moved to cart, and cart has various orders, right? So
Yeah.
plate order and eight strip order and single tube order.
Uh-huh.
So so each of orders can be selected by checkbox and can move to a purchase process. But
And
in
they can
that case,
have the same name, you mean? My tube
right,
sequencing order can have
right.
name one.
So
Plate
no.
sequencing order also can have name one, which you don't want.
Right. So, for example, in the case of plate, so plate one is used in order A, but order
Uh,
B also has a plate one name. But
uh-huh.
when the two orders are in the cart and selected to the purchase process, it is possible currently. But
Yes.
it must be validated because the duplication happens in a different order. So two separate orders.
Two
So
separate orders under the same business unit should not have the same name, is what you mean.
right.
Now,
that
question,
validation.
say I am checking out plate one order, okay,
Uh,
as one order,
mhm.
order number one. Now,
Yeah,
plate, and my second order is also having plate one, but I checked it out as separate order. That is okay for you.
okay. So one sales order must not have the same sample names.
Same sample names are not allowed in the same order, does not matter what are the products under it.
Right.
Okay, how does this cause a problem in downstream?
It's yeah. I don't actually have a problem, but the blueberry or I think the blueberry will encounter the blueberry or operation will have a problem if the names are duplicated.
Can we check with blueberry, because Europe is using blueberry for years and we did not encounter this issue, I think.
Okay.
If blueberry confirms that they do not have problem with the same sample names, should we implement this?
Uh, do you know that the validation works in the US and the UKs?
Yes. because we did not receive any complaints. However, I'll talk to Vinay, who is the BA from Blueberry. He should be aware if there are problems with it.
Okay, yeah, I just guess the validation works in the card, and so duplication can be avoided by the validation. But in Japan's case, the validation doesn't work, so the
No,
duplication
no, no,
is
no, no.
allowed.
But
No?
for other sites also, we are allowing the same in cart. As in, my plate order is having same sample name, my tube order is also having same sample name, but the
Okay, okay,
products are different.
okay.
So,
I will check it, but I think it's the operational issue. It will cause an operational issue.
but let's
I
confirm
will.
from Blueberry. Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, Blueberry side can treat duplicated items, but in the operation flow, the I don't know, misoperation would be caused by the duplication. But I have to check it with someone in the lab.
Oh, okay. Please check it because other sites are able to handle this. We should know what is the exact problem with Japan then.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll keep this
just
for
yeah.
discussion later after you
Yeah.
confirm things.
Sorry.
I mean, I'll keep this requirement on hold for further discussion till
Yeah.
we
Okay.
confirm what the actual
Okay.
problem is.
Okay. Yeah. So priority A4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. Let's proceed. I hope you have some more time because we need to continue and we have more topics.
Yeah, of course. I have a time.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Next is A5 order editing functionality to execute full cancellation, modify pickup dates, addresses, and adjust prices on ODB.
Hmm.
Here, yep, back. I showed you we are able to edit address, shipping address, and billing address from the sales order page.
Hmm.
One sec. Let me go back.
So in addition to it, okay, go ahead.
Okay, I can expand this better. Search. While this loads, I'm just checking. Modify pickup dates we just discussed. In the pickup
Hmm.
search, we can give option to change it. Addresses and prices, and then canceling orders.
So prices are now on ODB, right? I think.
Yes, the work is ongoing. The development is in progress for editing the prices.
Okay. By US
Yeah,
implementation.
yeah. So
Yeah.
we will implement the same for JP. So
Hmm.
update shipping addresses here, update billing addresses possible. But this information should be passed to downstream. By now, we should discuss with Miyuki what is feasible because we are sending out individual messages, I think, on editing any field.
Yeah. It should be discussed
Yes.
with her.
Okay. So addresses editing is possible. Then prices editing will come in future.
Mhm.
And
What
okay, here you're able to also change the shipping charge.
what remains except those implementation?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Just so change requires in some other part, right? The price, no. The sold by ID or sold to ID change. Also, sold to. So currently, the changes are not all in JPODB yet. So after the modification along with the US for
Mm-hmm.
its decommission,
Mm-hmm.
the additional changes are required, but what can be possible
Okay.
to
The
change?
ODB code will be same. So
Hmm.
we should be enabling shipping address change, billing address change, price editing. Additional changes, what we will require is when we send out the messages, downstream should be consuming it
Oh,
so
yeah,
that
yeah,
they
yeah.
get
I
updated
know. Yes, yes,
information.
of
Yeah,
course.
that will be the additional work required. For
Uh,
us, it will be deployment work for Japan of ODB to enable all this.
okay. What other changes are required for this requirement? And I'd like to check the current modification. Different.
Oh, okay, okay. Let me explain you what all is possible to be modified. Then you can tell me.
Yeah, just
For
what I remember is just to change or change an order. Not only product order level, but also well or just one knob eight stripe cancellation or something like that.
no, wait. Edit or change here at production order level. If it is oligos, we will be able to edit the sequence like in coating tool. Just the sequence, but main property should be edited in golems if you want to add modifications, change purification scales, which you already mentioned in the PDF, right? Golems will
Mm.
take care of that. Here only sequence modification will be possible at the order item level, and you can cancel individual order items or entire production at once.
Oh, how about the well position level?
Wells we will not be able to. It will be too complicated to do it here.
Okay, so it's not feasible, right? You
No,
mean?
no, no. It is feasible but complicated and more mandates to do it.
Okay, so too many mandates will be spent.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So same as sequence well level cancellation, right?
Yeah, see. Okay, this is taking long to load. Here you'll have list of order items and you will
Mm.
have an option to cancel each item. Yeah, here. Cancel item.
Yeah, this is currently possible, right?
Yeah, yeah. So not at the wells level.
Okay, and yeah, I was asking the well level is was feasible or not, and you answered that it would take too many mandates, and
Yep.
yeah, that means uh, physically impossible. Yeah,
Or can you discuss this with golems and blueberry?
No,
Because
currently
they
we are focusing on sequencing. So of course, when we need to check the algorithms, the oligo products for cancellation, we will discuss it with algorithms team. But
then
the
at present it is better you talk to blueberry team because they deal at well level, right? You see in ODB we don't show anything at each well level. That is why I'm telling you more mandates. But blueberry deals at well level already and they have an UI. How
hmm.
big of effort is it from them to cancel well level detail?
So you think it will be synced with the other systems like ODB or ODB side. So once, for example, one well is cancelled, and if it is enabled in Blueberry, it can be synced with the ODB level.
Well, well level details we are not storing anywhere. So no point of syncing it, right? What is the significance if we sync it?
Okay, yeah, just synchronization is required for price. I think mostly a price. So the
For
once
price, right?
cancellation means a price. One sample should be cancelled. One well should be
Huh. So
cancelled
what I
and
mean is,
uh-huh.
let me explain my thought process.
Okay,
If you
okay.
cancel a well in Blueberry,
Uh-huh.
you must be able to edit the price of the entire order in ODB. So
Uh,
say it was 10 yens before, one well is cancelled, now it is 9 yen.
uh-huh.
I'll come and change in ODB only the price because price editing will be possible in future, right?
Okay. So not based on the product quantities, but just change the total price
Yes.
because of the cancellation.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood.
So you don't have to ask customer to cancel entire order, place it again. We don't need all that work.
Okay, so cancellation requires just the specific well should not be analyzed or something by
Mm-hmm.
the lab team, and the price total price change happens, and it means cancellation works.
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Okay, can you go back to the document?
Yes.
So so
So
price and
we are clear
address.
with this.
Can you open the document as well? The
A5. Yeah, 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 yeah.
details. Yeah, yeah. So because it includes all the modification requirements. Hmm. Okay, so scroll down.
Functional requirements here.
Yeah, so the change in correction. Okay, correction time, date, and so on. That would be implemented, right?
Yeah, that is in pickup search. We will be able to change it.
Okay, how about 3.2, the change to account change of
Yeah,
sort.
how about this? Okay, I'm just going through one by one. Change in collection requirement, changing from collection required to no collection required.
Yeah, yeah. This is specific functionality for JPI, I think. So currently we have a no correction checkbox
Yes,
there,
yes,
right?
in
So
ecom.
yeah, yeah. So this change is should be enabled. That's the JP specific requirement, I think.
You mean we should enable because it is there already in ecom? Do you want to enable it somewhere else?
No, no, no. Just a change. This is a change. Okay, so
Uh,
for this means customer want us to correct samples at first, but
uh-huh.
it is the modification happened. So no correction, change to no correction. So no correction should be done in somewhere like ODB.
Okay.
So initially customer wants
Collect
us
it,
to
but
collect.
then
Yeah, yeah.
they change
The
their
no
mind
correction
and
is
ask for no
required. So
collection.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So the correction will change.
Okay, got it,
So,
got it.
so
Operational work.
yeah, yeah, this kind of operational requirements is in JPOMS. So,
Okay, fine, got it. Change in collection address. So pickup address change is also required.
right, right.
So, okay, fine. In pickup search, I think we can give this option.
Hmm.
Okay, this is clear. Changes to account or contact information.
Okay,
Change
yeah,
of sort.
this, so
Mm.
to change is possible now.
Today, only the sold to change is possible from the review basket.
Okay, but not cannot be done in the search
No,
orders.
not in search. One moment, let me see. Not at production order level.
Maybe no.
Yeah, do you want this at order level? One moment.
Order level, yeah.
A4, A5 is this. You want to change the sold to of an order. Okay.
Yeah, even after order is placed, the customer, yeah, the information in order XML has a wrong one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
I think
especially
I think we can enable that in this advanced search edit.
okay,
Edit sold to should be possible.
yeah, it is required. So yeah, as I as I mentioned, including order information and contact information might be wrong.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
so e-commerce site doesn't always have the correct information. So that's why and also customer can change the sold by ID because they can change the distributor from the account settings.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's why. But we cannot prohibit it to customers. So the we
ODB.
yeah
ODB
always
should be
check.
enabled.
Yeah. We should check the one by one the assignment of the distributor is correct or not. Currently,
Mm,
it is processed in JPOMS plus the oligo CRM.
okay. Okay, next one. Editing reception email and result delivery email addresses. Specific contact addresses must be addable or editable on a per order basis.
Yeah. So this means order level changes, all the order level changes are required, including reception email and result delivery email address.
Mm, okay, fine.
Okay.
Manually correct amounts on ODB. This is the price editing.
Yeah.
Then must be able to bulk apply or change to set prices such as custom pricing. Okay, this example James had given while we were developing this price editing feature.
Uh-huh.
Let me show in quoting tool.
Okay, bulk changes will be possible.
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
Because it's not there in fraud, I'm not able to show. Or I'll go to EU one. 1 second.
Hmm.
Yeah, like in quoting tool, but the search functionality will be more enhanced. Say
Hmm.
you have a compressed view here, okay, with the same part numbers in more, the same part number is repeated in more than one item. It will add up the quantity of it. You change the unit price of it. So it will change the unit price of all the order items with the same part number.
Just I think the some so this request is to change the bulk prices in some orders, right? This is a unit price change, and this will be reflected to the basic information.
Okay. What I mean is,
Uh,
say you have two order items in an oligo
uh-huh.
where you
Uh,
have this part number. Okay.
uh,
I change my order view to compressed. It will add the quantity of the same part numbers from those two order items. So here quantity will become 2. The total for it, I can change it. Say instead of 165, I make it 20. It will divide between two part numbers as 10 and 10. Is that what you mean? So that is your bulk editing the part numbers of different order items at once.
can you go back to the document, the requirement?
Yeah.
So it is just can be done on the quoting tools only.
No. Similar to quoting tool, how I showed you editing prices, right? for you to get an idea, the price editing in search functionality, it will behave
Uh,
similar. You will be able to edit the total price at once or even the unit price.
yeah, just yeah, I'm
I think a demo will help to decide what is to be done here.
okay. Yeah,
Once the item is ready in UAT, right? I will schedule a demo for all regions, so you will have idea how price editing will work, and then we
uh,
can see if this point is required or that will suffice it.
okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah,
Okay, full order cancellation. Full cancellation processing of the order must be executable on ODB. This is already available. You can cancel the entire production order at
yeah,
once.
yeah. Yes. Mm,
LIMS integration is already available if it is the new LIM system, either GoLIMS or Blueberry, they do consume this.
mm.
Okay, important confirmation, control of editable status range and failsafe for cancellations. Status range where cancellation clicking a button is executable and controlled systematically. Okay, so you mean once it is started in process, you should not be able to cancel it.
Yeah. So currently, this is not followed by the
Yeah, yeah.
systems. That's why this is
Okay.
included.
Yeah, this makes sense. Let it be.
Mm.
Investigation of rollback function. Assume a case where an operator mistakenly advances the order to the received status despite pending confirmation. Investigate feasibility on whether a relief measure to revert the status to pre-receipt is possible when a cancellation process becomes necessary afterward. You should be able to change the status, is what you mean.
Yeah. So it is possible.
Yeah, that is possible today. Only once it is cancelled, you won't be able to change it to confirmed or in process
Yeah.
later.
So once it is cancelled, no changes is possible, right?
Possible. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, just yeah, the status. Okay. So the without the status cancellation, this change is possible.
Yeah, without cancellation, this change is possible.
Okay, so this can be ignored. Okay,
Okay. Next, what do we have? Feasibility study.
this is just yeah, partial. The order. Okay. This is about partial cancellation.
Feature to
And
cancel only
and
specific,
and
specific wells we discussed.
okay, discussed, right? And
Yeah.
next is sample name change. Is this possible? I think this not, right?
No, this is not possible.
Hmm.
But do we want to change it in ODB or in the LIM system is something we should discuss.
Yeah, so for example, if the duplication happen and if it causes operational problem, the sample name should can be changed by the operators in European side.
Hmm. Okay, this we will discuss with the LIMS concerned people. Let's confirm that there is a problem and then this should be implemented.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll leave it for discussion now. Addition of samples or plates, feature to add items to a confirmed order letter. This will be too much work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood.
Concludes it is technically difficult. Request for
Okay.
this feature.
Just
Hmm.
we discussed here just too many mandates or something. So
Yeah. When you
not
talk about any, say, oligos or sequencing, sample level, if you have to change anything, it is better to change it in the limb side because they deal at those sample levels, right?
As you explained, right? So some sample level. So one sample, one well, the level can be
Yes.
canceled in limits. Then and the change, more change required like prices, but prices can be edited by ODB. Whatever changes in limit side, then that totally the everything works.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is very effective for us.
Okay, fine. So we are clear with A5. I will go back to our main document. Next is validation bypass for custom oligos. We discussed for US anyways, we are implementing, we have to roll it out for Japan so that admin should be able to place such orders.
Custom modules.
As an admin, I will
Yeah,
not
yeah,
have
yeah, yeah.
any
I know. Yeah,
validations.
two ways,
Mm.
right? By admin and by a special account.
By special account, no.
No?
This is enabled only for the admins.
Oh, okay, okay. Understood.
Mm. Okay, pricing, invoicing, and prepaid. Monitoring data, okay, so that we don't miss orders in between the systems. Yeah, this comes under monitoring, fine. Edit item prices, shipping fees, and taxes on ODB. This comes under price editing. With an approval workflow, what is meant by this?
So approval is just mm,
Because you will be an ODB user with the permission to edit the prices and directly save it. So here approval will not come into picture.
okay. So mm, I'm not sure about these details. So approval workflow. One company requires approval workflow for all the orders, and it is implemented in the local system. So, for example, once the order is placed by the specific account, the
Hmm.
sold to ID, all the orders are stuck in the staging database, and the JPOMS uh, once the orders are verified, detected, the
Mhm.
orders should be moved to the approval process, like by the browser or something. I don't know the process well, but it's just only
It
one company request us request its its employees to place an order only via approval process.
okay.
So
How about will review functionality address it? Say that same company is placing orders. They will be having a common soul too, right? Does not matter who is placing the order.
yeah. Just the review is required. Yeah, it is commonly detected. But
Then
just after that, how the approval process should be implemented in the upstream side. But the details are required to discuss it because this is just the only, so it's difficult to dig it out by my side because
oh, okay.
I don't have additional information about this. So
Okay. In case we need reviewing of the order for only one customer or one company,
yeah, one
we can
company,
put
yeah.
such orders based on the sold to review basket.
Mhm.
So one person can review all the details in that order and then confirm it or cancel it.
Yeah, confirmation is required by the customer side, not us. That's the problem. So
Oh,
the approval process is processed on the different system, not the European system. That's
okay.
that's the problem. Yeah. So
This we will not
so
be able
up,
to implement on our side then.
sure. Yeah. So approval results should be accept once the approval the order is approved, the information should goes to our system and accept it, and the process will start. But the current process can or Yeah, that's just the process is implemented in the local side only. So I have to confirm with how it is working.
Okay, you let me know if we can enable anything on our
Mhm.
end.
Okay, yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, quotation functionality, this we have already done, enabling the ecom codes to flow.
Yes.
Okay, shipping, calendar, and logistics. Calendar settings, A1 is a separate.
Okay, A1 is the just calendar settings on a ODB side, and the ecom control is the deli what delivery date, the holiday, and the
Yeah, so this is enabling the production due date calendar from ODB, but you have mentioned some details. It should be at the BU level. Can you tell me what is OEM?
oh, OEM means the companies uh what con so this is only for oligo. So oligo product. So OEM companies ask Eurofins to produce oligos as their own manufacturer name.
Mm-hmm.
So the process is different. So the production process is the same, but for example, packaging is not by the Eurofin box, but the
Oh,
OEM company's box. So the
okay.
processes are all differently done. But the e-com system doesn't consider this process currently. So the manually this process is done by JPOMS as a OEM product.
Okay, but should we bring in some functionalities in ODB to support OEM products?
So currently
That
I
is
don't have
packaging
any.
part.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. This is the yeah, this is related with shipment and logistics. So the currently we need to implement only a calendar table only.
Okay. Okay. Functional requirements. ODB features assigning daily attributes, that is shipping day, working day, holiday. This is existing.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, I
Cutoff
know.
time settings is also available.
Mm,
Let me go. Okay, no, not here. Here. Production holiday calendar.
mm.
Okay, I select a calendar. So they have Ebersberg Lab. So their special cutoff time is 3 p.m. CET. Normal cutoff time is midnight. Production site Germany. Since this is
Okay.
UAT, no one has
Okay.
okay, business unit level, oligonucleotides.
Mm,
Oh, this is for setting up a new calendar, sorry. Yeah, so when
mm,
you select any calendar name, okay, when you say have to add a new calendar, you add a calendar name for it, say Japan Tokyo calendar.
mhm, mm.
Your production site will be Japan. You select your business unit. Lab is optional. Then you have cutoff time. So this is already taken care.
Okay. So two cutoff times set up possible to set up here. Special cutoff time and cutoff time.
Yeah, I will let you know what is the logic behind special cutoff time. I forgot it's years
Yeah,
ago.
yeah, yeah.
So
I need this.
yeah,
This logic.
I'll check what does this do.
Okay.
It is written here. Special cutoff time. If production days is 0, it is same day delivery.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Cutoff
So,
time, if it is more than 1 day, sorry, more than 0. Production days greater than 0.
okay. Same day shipment should be considered in the special cutoff time. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you select something and then you
Mm,
select if it is shipping day, working day. If not both, that means it's a holiday.
mm.
Yeah, so red is holiday.
Okay, okay. I think that we need one more property for this. According to the document I wrote.
Okay, back to document. What
Mm.
additional do we need? Cutoff time is there.
Yeah, and cutoff time, the special cutoff time, and the delivery. So
Deliver date.
delivery time expected delivery time. Okay, this one. Okay,
Yeah, this
delivery time
delivery
is
time is
there.
for this.
Okay, yeah, special cutoff time, right?
Mm, and
Okay,
this is for now.
there are combination. Okay.
Yeah. Utilize a feature to assign created calendars to each business unit or production line. This is also available already.
Hmm.
Now, hierarchical structure of multiple calendars. Top level Eurofins calendar, base calendar defining common public holidays, New Year, shared across all BOs. Okay, irrespective of BOs, you will have a single calendar.
Yes, yes. Is this
Then
possible?
you, I think it is possible. If not, we will implement it because this makes life easy.
Okay.
BU specific calendars inherit the public holiday information from the top and add unique business, non-business days for each BU. So BU we can already select, but just that it should inherit from top level that should be implemented.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, not
Establish a
so difficult.
distinction between shipping date and arrival date.
Mm,
What is this?
um, mm, this is just shipping date and arrive arrival date. And so this is requested by the order processing team, and each of the days has to have the shipping date and the arrival date for Origo and GS5, which needs a delivery to a customer.
Now, what does arrival date mean? Oligo or GSY, we should be able to ship it. So we are having a shipping day in every in the calendar, right? Uh, Shipping day, for example. So now I marked 3rd of July as a shipping day.
So arrival day means the deliver should the product should not be delivered on that date.
Product should not be delivered on that day.
No, can be delivered on that date.
I'm thinking, do we need arrival date anywhere? I'm not getting the significance of the arrival date. What does that mean? Are we receiving anything from customer? Because shipping details, we are going to ship this product to the customer by this date.
Hmm. So I'm checking. I was checking it, but so I still not understand it well.
No,
But
okay.
just yeah, as requested, it is in the document.
Okay, can you talk to team and we
Okay.
will discuss on some other day what is this arrival date for?
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Yeah. Okay, sequencing dedicated subdivided calendars. Lab working day calendar, the business calendar of the lab, processing the arrived samples. So it is
This
a
is
working day.
yeah. This is like the lab working, and that means the samples can be delivered to a lab to the lab.
Okay, that means it is here, which is a working day. I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
mark
yeah,
that as
yeah,
working day, so we should be able to receive samples,
yeah.
process.
Lab working day, right?
Okay,
Mm,
yeah. So the
yeah.
lab working day is already there. Now collection calendar, collection on weekends is considered possible. Friday to Monday is defined as same day, treated as Monday. If an operation is performed after 17 on Friday, the system must prevent the selection of Monday as the collection date. This is
Okay, this is implemented in a different calendar, so the different system, but the system the collection calendars should be based on the new calendar system ODB. That's a requirement. So if the so so
okay. I'll
collection
go to
calendar
ecom.
can have the
I'll go to ecom.
okay.
Everywhere I'm logged out. Okay. When you place it after 5 p.m. on Friday, Monday should be the collection date.
Yeah, these are already implemented on the e-commerce side.
Okay, so we have this functionality already in ecom.
Yeah, e-com, but we need to migrate it to the current collection calendar system on e-com side. No, sorry, ODB side.
ODB, you want to configure it, and I should display that in ecom.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this is an example for a change request because we have this functionality already available, but we want to ease business process, right? So can we take it out of JPOMS migration and you raise it as a CR?
Okay.
And the reason being, this is not something available in JPOMS which you want to migrate. It is already available in ecom. We want to enhance the processing here, right?
No, just not enhancement. Just this should be managed by the end users in the user side, like order processing team.
Yeah. That's what I
Yeah,
mean.
and also the currently this functionality is not correctly working, and the
What is not correctly working has to be fixed. Yeah. You let me know what are the problems in this functionality. I will write an UR or a PBI to fix the issues.
So yeah, it's been a long time since we pointed out, but it has been left so far. So um,
It's on the must could should. Something is already available and working, right? I mean, here at this point, you're telling me that this functionality is not working correctly, which should be corrected.
yeah, it should be
Yeah.
corrected, but yeah so the currently collection process is not correctly working because it is pointed out to the sustenance team, but the sustenance team asked it to Anand or someone, but no
Now
one.
there is a process they have. If it is an important issue to be solved and that is hindering business process and daily workflow, of course, it should be looked into. That I'll talk to Abhishek. That this should be prioritized and taken care. My point of telling this is not a functionality in JPOMS, but a functionality in ecom which should be corrected. So I can't take it part of JPOMS migration, right?
Mm,
What I mean is, I am not telling you that we will not take it. We will take it, but it should not be part of JPOMS migration. Do you get my point?
uh, yeah, I'm getting you. Okay, so change request from the e-commerce side to OTP side, it
Yes.
can be possible. Mm.
Yes, yes, yes. That is
Oh,
possible. We want to help business. Don't depend on the development team to move this calendar, so they handle it.
mm. Okay, so request is the same logic should be implemented on ODB calendar side and the
Uh-huh.
combination with ODB and ecom. So that would be that taken care as a change request.
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
understood.
Collection calendar, define working days specific to motorcycles, specific times on weekdays only. This is already in place, right, in ecom?
It is-
Based on the zip
yes,
codes, we have the times.
yes, yes.
Ah, okay.
So just migration is required. So the based on the calendar functionality on OTP.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, brand Eurofins OEM specific calendars separate from the standard Eurofins calendar. Apply unique non-business day calendars for each OEM customer. So it is customer specific calendars.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay. Customer specific calendars are not there. So we need to implement that. How many such customers, Ryogo?
Nah, I didn't count at all. Just I know only two customers, but there are 4 or 5 customers for OEM. So let me check it.
Okay.
Oh, you need to know it to change this calendar functionality.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
And what are the exact changes for them?
Okay, so yeah, but just I don't think OEM will be added, but if change happens in addition to the current OEM companies, the develop, again change request will be required, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it won't happen so frequently. So based on the current number of the customers,
Hmm.
it can be implemented.
Yeah. We need to know how many customers are there. Is it worth spending that effort there in
Okay.
changing the ODB functionality, or can it be handled different way? Let us analyze that.
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Sure.
Feasibility of hierarchical structure implementation. Request to verify parent-child relationship. Yeah, we should be able to implement that. Because system hierarchy is difficult. No, it is possible. So we'll go with that option one itself instead of any import functionality.
Okay. Kaperi, so I think you skipped the A8 requirement, right?
Where is A8? Oh, I'm sorry.
In a
No,
different.
we are still here in the calendar, separate A1. Hmm.
Okay. Let's continue.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, here data integration with ecom front end through API. Yeah, this is our technical front. Abolish collection available date calendar setup via separate XML data on ecom currently used for this is what I'm
This
asking.
is
This
what
will
I
be the
yeah
CR.
yeah
Yeah,
yeah. So as
behavior
yeah she should be treated by a separated and
yes.
yes change request.
And affiliation select based on BU collection. The corresponding calendar information will be called from ODB in real time, systematically blocking unselectable collection. This is again the speed pickup thing, right? This both are CRs.
Okay, okay,
What is
understood.
available in ecom, we need to change the way of how it is handled.
Yeah.
Okay, future consideration, confirmation items. The top priority is to build the foundations of dividing, managing, linking calendars. The introduction of the SEC calendar itself must not be delayed due to difficulties in implementing automatic TAT. The complete implementation of TAT calculation feature can be postponed. There are two shipping times per day in each area. Therefore, it is necessary to consider a logic that can calculate the exact estimated to incorporating not only time. Yeah, that is cutoff time should take care of this, right?
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
Arrives next day, yeah. Early morning shipment arrives same day. This is taken. Evening shipment arrives next day, yeah, yeah. Shipped in the morning, arrival date calculated by the above logic. Okay. Okay, this is on impact. Hierarchy versus import. Hierarchy will be better.
Mm.
Otherwise, you will have to import the same thing for 6 different business units if you have.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it should be avoided. So
Uh,
hierarchy system is required.
okay. Now coming back to this, I was here. A1 we discussed, A3. Speed pickup zip code management allows AP users to directly manage zip codes eligible for motorcycle courier pickup. This is the XML what we are talking about.
Ah, yes, yes. So this is also a change request, maybe.
Yeah. Then pickup time fixation, restrict and fix available sample pickup options per customer in 3 patterns. No setting, scheduled pickup, specific motorcycle courier only, controlling the ecom checkout UI. Can you tell me how does this help?
Mm. Okay. So this is a functionality to fix the pickup type because currently all the customers can select the any ways to send samples, so no correction or speed pickup. Of course, it is enabled only for a specific zip codes, and so on. But some customers cannot we don't allow come customers to change this pickup type because the yeah some companies don't allow the users to change pickup type, just
Uh-huh.
only so for example the company A doesn't allow the users to select no sample collection or something.
Okay,
So the
who
so
is
based
deciding this? I mean, you're saying company is deciding this, right?
yeah,
But
yes,
where are
company
you
is
storing this information?
sorry. Where is this information?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
company is deciding it that there should be no change in the time or
Okay,
specific
okay. So
motorcycle
yeah,
only.
no,
Mm.
currently the based on the sold ID, the JPOMS detect the orders from those sold IDs, and then the operators switch the the sample collection type to the some but fixed one based on the information in the oligo CRM.
Okay,
Oligo CRM has the information the which companies cannot allow the users to change the sample collection type, pickup type.
okay, and based on that, my ecom should behave like they should not be able to change or they should be able to change, right?
Right. So based on sold ID, the
Based on sold to ID.
yeah. So for example, so some the the account with the specific sold ID goes to the purchase process and pick up calendar. I don't know. It's not enabled for
Mm.
something because the user is not allowed to change the pickup type. Change.
Mhm. Okay, this information is in Oligo CRM.
Yeah, yeah. Calendar.
Um,
Yes.
I'm
But
thinking. So
this is separately implemented by the sort ID detection.
no. Here I'm thinking, should we bring in this information in ecom or consume CRM API to
Uh,
decide what
mhm.
options to show to customer?
Okay, okay. I don't know which is good to
Hmm.
end. So totally it should be considered.
Easier would be we bring in this information in ecom. It is based on preferences of those photos, right? I'll
Yeah,
think
yeah,
of
yeah.
a way and come back on this.
Okay.
Yeah. Shipping address change. This we are able to do it from ODB.
Yes.
And it won't be an API, but ODB can send out a message which the downstream should consume for changing address.
Hmm.
For integration purpose, we will have a separate discussion. After first, I need to draft the BRs and URs based on our discussion today. Okay,
Okay.
communication and notification, delay notification email, automate and manage delay notification to customers and agents. For EU and US, we implemented this order delay notification. Once the due date has passed,
Hmm.
every day we send out a delay notification, not for the same order, but yeah, one email goes out that this order is delayed. That is automated. So for
Hmm.
Japan, when we bring in the calculation of due date from ODB, we
Hmm.
should be able to send these notifications.
Okay. This will be help.
Yeah. BU specifics and manufacturing integration, missing sample search. Search
Okay. So
the
this can be skipped because this will be implemented on the Blueberry side. So
okay,
Blueberry
it is.
can do
Hmm.
that.
Okay, fine. Technical attributes in golems, yeah, modification, purifications, QC, we should be able to edit in golems. This, for your information, editing all these things,
Hmm.
um, I don't know. Golems has already demoed it or is supposed to demo on this, that what all we can edit from golems.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, in coming days, let me talk to Giviraj if it's already available and he can demo it to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Next, non-ecom ordering process.
Yeah, this is one of the big topics for JP OMS decommission.
Import specific Excel text formats from major clients, including automated rules like appending well positioned to sample names. Okay. When we get any Excel or text formats from clients, is it not possible for the customer support team to place the orders in ecom on their behalf as an admin? Then everything becomes an ecom order.
Yeah, so currently, according to the order processing team, some clients cannot use e-com system because of their security policy or something, and
Mhm.
environment, like they cannot use a computer outside or something.
Oh, yeah,
So
that is fine. I understand that. I understand that. Say my customers are just mailing us a text format that this is my order, or an Excel format that this is my order. Can someone place an order on their behalf in ecom?
so it is. Okay, so it takes time, right? Because it takes time, the operators don't want just it takes time, and the operators cannot do that for each of the orders. And currently, they import the orders from Excel file and process the orders by JPOMS. So it works. But of course, instead of the client users, the operators do that. That looks easy, but there are a lot of orders from I don't know how many, but uh, it is impossible to process press an order one by one by operators. So that this is this is required.
Okay, can you get me how many such requests do we get? And also, I would need a demo that how this is done from JPOMS side.
What how many such requests?
How many requests do we get by Excel or text formats to place orders
Oh, as long as I remember, the 20 orders or so
per day?
per day.
Okay. And how is this done in JPOMS? Can we have a demo?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, fine.
Just the Excel importing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excel is imported into JPOMS system. I want to see how JPOMS is reading it out. What is
Uh,
possible from one
uh,
IT side, I will have to compare and understand, right?
okay.
Yeah. Okay, next is JPOMS and Oligo CRM integration. This you already explained.
Yeah, I explained and we discussed.
Okay, so part of this JPMS migration, we will still retain Oligo CRM. We have to see feasibility if APIs can be exposed from Oligo CRM.
Mhm.
Now, this is dynamics. So this we will have separate meeting maybe after few weeks along with the architects that what should be possible here, how to
Oh,
handle this.
okay.
Because the CRM migration is also this year's goal, right, for Japan. And when
Yeah,
you tell
I know.
these are not
Yeah,
supported,
yeah.
how should
But
we address?
the functionality is very limited because CRM has limited information. Then
Yeah.
e-com has a lot, but not all the information can be synced with the CRM
Hmm.
system. So we need to check the which information is should be synced and not synced. Mm.
Okay,
And
we will.
okay, yeah, including it, we need to check the more possibility to,
Yes.
include.
Okay, Aryo, maybe sometime next month, can you schedule a meeting to present how is the CRM of local JP?
Okay.
I'll forward the invite to required people so that they can suggest that what are possibilities from one IT side.
Mm. Okay. And did you check A8 document? It's the
Yeah, coming to that one sec.
uh,
Where is it here? That is system transaction monitoring.
transactions. Yeah, transaction. Yeah.
Here.
I didn't get what you mentioned about
That
this.
I mentioned that comes under monitoring. We should not be having orders lost in between integration systems. That's what this means, right?
Yes. Yeah, so as you know, sometimes it happens, data loss happens. So the on e-com customer places an order, but it doesn't go to the next step, like OMS or the staging database or the LIMS system. That means it is lost.
We had implemented this order monitoring for JP, right?
Where?
Here in ODB order reporting,
Order reporting is just a status update.
it is status update. But if my ecom has an order in new and confirmed, okay,
This
and I don't
this
know if the order is present in my next system or not.
No. This doesn't track the data or system. Just it includes each of the order statuses
Okay,
on
got
each of
it.
the system.
When data is sent from ODB to downstream, the receiving system will return a response. Yeah, this comes under monitoring part of the orders. Fine. This is understood, Ryogo.
Yeah. So acknowledge is required between the receiver and sender, and I guess the AGSP has the all the information, the data flow, but the acknowledge it's not done
Mm.
by the receivers because even though the receivers don't receive any data, the sender sender data and the role is already done. So
Okay.
the data loss, data missing is happens when the receiver doesn't recognize the data from the receiver sender.
Yes, right. But question, does JPOMS has any functionality which identifies these things?
No. Just oh let mm, so I think the
Where I'm
sequential
coming from is because this
yeah
will be under the general monitoring of order flow to downstreams. This
I
also won't be part of JPOMS migration.
yeah, so sequentially the missing data is detected. I think so. For example, the order IDs and staging the orders staging data has staging
Mm-hmm.
database has and compare the tables. If the sequential numbers are lost, they are listed in the uh, data tracking application. So
Data
I think
tracking application.
it's a macro or something. So it's a it's a Excel application. Excel application has a macro to verify the orders from e-com side and uh, staging database side.
Okay. Are we using Power BI reporting in Japan?
Yes.
I think we should be able to track lost orders from there.
So BI has all the data from orders, the e-com
It
side.
should have, yes, it should have the data from all the systems, ecom, OMS, and any LIMS.
Oh, okay.
Let's see feasibility from Power BI reporting. We should be able to track such orders.
Yes, okay. I think but look, maybe a couple of years ago, maybe last year, the Ushi also needs the same functionality because missing order found and it should be tracked. She said it should be tracked. Like,
Yeah, right,
yeah.
I remember. And also,
uh,
sustenance team had already implemented some monitoring on this.
Yeah. So substantive that can do the similar
Yes,
things like resending the data if the missing order happens, right?
right.
Yeah. Okay. Can please check it with the sustenance team and
Hmm.
Power BI. Uh,
Okay, I'm not sure whom to contact. Who can give idea on what is the Power BI reporting done in Japan?
uh, okay. Yeah. I don't I don't know I don't know either, but I confirmed the Power BI is being used for by salespeople and business management.
Okay, does talking to Toshiaki would help? Do you think so? We can ask him if how they are using Power BI. If he can present, also will be helpful for us.
Uh, yeah, he's a part of it, but I don't think he can present it because
Or
he
I
does
would
not
say we will ask
understand.
him, and he can ask the right person who can present it.
Yeah, he might be.
Okay, fine. Fine, let's see if Power BI can help us here or our sustenance team.
Okay.
Okay, all this is discussed. Fine. We are good.
Okay.
I will draft the BRs and URs and let you know to review them. And there
Sure.
are some open points of discussion. I'll send it in the M1 and we can take the actions.
Understood. Thank you. Thank you, Kabir.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Ryogo. Bye bye.
Thanks a lot, Kabir. Bye bye.